Jeff Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're taking a look. We had a recent thread about round buckets versus rectangular buckets, and there's a 50-50, not 50, there's a split of which one splashes more. Rectangle buckets always use covers. Round, they have covers available, not sure they use them. Which one splashes more? So work truck is in the shop today, so I had to take another vehicle today. So we had to fill 2 round buckets, kind of halfway full of water, 2.5-3 gallons. Drove in 20 minutes today, 0 splash. My wife would not allow me to splash in her truck. So just kind of a challenge. Round bucket, rectangular bucket. Let's see a rectangular bucket and what it looks like after you drive into work, and see how it looks when it is uncovered. See what it looks like. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum. Post some videos.